I have been thinking, as you do, what am I going to cook today? Then I remember that I still have banana leaves in my freezer, which I have removed over here. Now, then I thought, what can I do with the banana leaf? I've done a video on the banana leaf, making a yellow sticky rice, an authentic Nyonya turmeric rice. If you missed that video, I have a link below the description or above on the top right of this video. So I'm going to use the banana leaf to make a dish today, but I have never done this before. So I'm going to try making use of the banana leaf and to wrap it around salmon fillet. Now I'm going to do two different methods here. So the first method, I'm going to smoke the salmon, and the second method, I'm going to bake the salmon. The two key ingredients for this recipe is salmon. I have 460 grams of salmon fillet, and of course banana leaf. Now banana leaf comes frozen pack at an Asian supermarket. I have thawed this out from the freezer. This is how it actually looks. Kaffir lime leaves. Now kaffir lime leaves freeze well, and this I remove it and thaw it out from my freezer. So I'm going to use 3 of the kaffir lime leaves. Chili jam. If you have missed my video last week, I have a link below the description or on the top right of this video on how to make this chili jam paste or chili jam sauce. The other ingredients are optional. I saw this beautiful cherry tomatoes, so I decided to buy cherry tomatoes, and some salad leaves, which I'm going to use is rockets and spinach, baby spinach leaves. And mango is in season, so I've decided to buy a mango to make with my salad. With the banana leaves, we just want to remove. First, you need to unfold it gently because they do break very easily, and remove the leaves. Right now it's dirty, so it needs to be washed and it needs to be wiped. So I remove one piece over here and then fold it back and put it back into the freezer. Turn it to the other side. Okay, this is my second piece. With the kaffir lime leaves, I'm just going to place it on top. And I'm going to use the pan to smoke the banana leaf and the fish and cover it with a lid. Now, depending on the size of the fish, I think this should take between 15 and 20 minutes. It has actually a very subtle flavor. I can taste the chili jam, which is caramelized and a little bit sweet and a little bit spicy, not too spicy. I can taste the flavor of the smoky banana leaf and also the freshness of the citrusy kaffir lime leaves. Before I put it in the oven, I'm going to preheat the oven to 160 degrees and I'm going to wrap this with aluminum foil. Okay, the oven is preheated to 160. I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to set a timer for 15 minutes. Gonna have a taste of this. Oh, that's good, it's cooked. So that's been cooked for 15 minutes at 160 degrees on a fan force oven. Okay, my verdict. I'm going to critique my own food today. The first method, which is the smoked salmon with the banana leaf cooked on the gas stove. And the second method, which is the baked salmon cooked in the oven. My preference is the baked salmon cooked in the oven. The reason is that the salmon is moist and you can still taste the chili jam paste, and also it has a little bit of the flavor from the banana leaf. It has more flavor in the baked version of the salmon compared to the smoked salmon. Now the smoked salmon itself, for me, is a little bit dry, but it does have that smokiness flavor of the banana leaf. And also because I actually had some freshly finely shredded kaffir lime leaves, it has a little bit of that citrusy flavor from the kaffir lime leaf. So they're both quite different. However, if you do have a barbecue at home, I suggest you do it on a barbecue, because I think cooking on the barbecue and grilling the salmon wrapped with the banana leaf would definitely taste better than these two methods that I have just tried today at home. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. I'm Victor Koo. Thanks for watching. See you next week.